Hey guys, I'm online and I'm on the air, bringing you guys another art tutorial because I strongly believe that education should be free. In some places it is, just not here in corporate America. I want to cover building hair in Blender using nurbs and curves. First, we'll set up the scene. Next, we'll use nurbs and curves to build one clump of hair. Then, we'll replicate and position that clump of hair on the character's head to create a full body of hair. I'll share with you some small modeling tips that will make things a little bit easier for you because positioning all those hair clumps can be a bit of an undertaking. We'll build the hair material to get the hair to look more like hair and less like just some kind of 3D mesh. And I know that the hair material can be a bit convoluted, so I'll summarize a map of the hair material explaining how all the nodes work. So without further ado, let's get started. It's going to be epic!